Introducing the Granding GL-F5 Smart Lock, the ultimate blend of security and convenience. Crafted from durable aluminum alloy with a sleek visual touchscreen. Unlock your door with ease using one of 5 methods: the Tuya App, Fingerprint, Password, IC card, or App. Whether at home or on the go, manage your lock anytime, anywhere with the intuitive App management system. The Granding GL-F5 is powered by a robust 4000 mAh lithium battery, ensuring long-lasting performance. And if the battery runs low, simply use the micro USB interface for a quick power-up. Designed with everyone in mind, the semiconductor fingerprint recognition module is perfect for both the elderly and children, ensuring fast and reliable access. Installation is a breeze with the selectable door opening direction and straightforward operation. Plus, just press the pound button to ring the doorbell. Experience modern security with the Granding GL-F5 Smart Lock, where innovation meets simplicity.